Hey traders, I'm going to show you how to download and use our trading strategies. Right now I'm on our website where you can see all the strategies available. Let's start by downloading the first strategy. You'll notice a lot of stats and details about the strategy, and you can also see the forecast equity curve, which is based on the historical monthly average. To download, simply click the download button. This adds the strategy to your cart. You don't need to create an account. Then just enter your email and choose your preferred payment method. Shop, PayPal, Google Pay, or your bank card. Fill out the details and click Complete Order. Once your order is confirmed, the download link is sent to your email. Or, for quicker access, click Access to Files. Scroll down and click the Download button. After downloading, you'll see two files. One is a text file with the strategy rules. It's useful if you're not using RealTest. The other is a RealTest file. Copy the RealTest file into your RealTest folder, then open the strategy and click Import. This loads all the trading symbols needed for the strategy. Next, click Test to run the strategy and see the results. That's it. Simple and easy.